Realityworks is excited to announce the launch of our brand new Child Care Experience. This interactive program is a complete child care teaching solution involving simulation, software, occupational tools of the trade, and curriculum. The resulting experience is hands-on and fully immersive, giving students true-to-life, in-class experience caring for multiple infants simultaneously.
The Child Care Experience is an infant child care simulation. You are walking in and you are an employee in an infant child care center. Go to work. Clock in, start caring for multiple infants. Each has different needs, each has a unique schedule going on. You have to figure out the care that the infants needs and provide it. We have a beacon system, and this is what students will wear during the child care simulation. It's what holds them accountable for providing the care, but it's also what tracks the care for each of the infants. Now here's our tablet that's preloaded with all the software you're going to need. It has very user-intuitive interface. We've got simulation, we've got the instructor dashboard, we've got the choking and the CPR event. Put those babies in the students' hands and do a demo for an hour and have them rotating through so they're really getting a lot of hands-on experience. That's also where you access the student reports from. Then you have the simulation where you are able to choose the ratio of students to infants. You can change it up. You can decide the difficulty level of the simulation that you'd like each student's experience to be. So it's very customizable for not only the level of your students, but providing many different experiences throughout the semester. So what you see here today is our 4-baby child care experience package. And the things that you get with that package are 4 infants. So you get 2 3-month-olds, and you also get 2 of our 9-month-old babies. And each of these babies comes with its own set of accessories. 3-month baby is a standalone infant CPR trainer. So with our 3-month baby, you also get all of the things you're going to need to do infant CPR, from the bib that gives them those anatomical markers to do the chest compressions and the chest thrusts and so forth, sanitary bags that are the consumables. So that's the CPR kit that comes with it. You also get the bottle for the feeding event. You get the 3-month-old diaper for the diaper change event, which you will do on our changing mat here. And then you also get a swaddling garment, because the 3-month-old also is will have a fussy event. And we know that 3-month-old babies can be swaddled. It's one of the 5 S's of soothing a crying infant. And these are, again, transferable career skills your students will learn. They'll lay the baby on the swaddling garment, they'll correctly swaddle it and soothe it until it stops crying. So those are all the items you're going to get with your 3-month-old baby. Similarly, we've got our 9-month-old baby that you see over here. For the feeding event for the 9-month-old, you're going to get a solid food spoon, which has a little bit of baby food on it that you're going to feed him in the high chair. Also, you get that 9-month-old diaper, because we also will be doing diaper changes on the changing table with our 9-month-old. For the fussy event for the 9-month-old, we have a pacifier or a nook. So when this little guy starts crying, you will just be able to put the pacifier in the mouth and all is well. Another thing that you will get with a 9-month-old baby are choking objects, because our 9-month-old baby is also a standalone choking trainer. And you will be able to put the object into the throat of the infant, and then students will get hands-on practice doing chest thrusts and back slaps until the object is expelled. And you will see in the software, it will say baby saved. And we know in an infant child care center, each baby does have its own crib to sleep in and nap in and so forth. Same thing here, but the real nice thing about these cribs, they are portable and they are storable flat. So you can unfold them, and then they also provide a storage compartment for all the accessories for each of the babies with it as well. Because just like in a real child care center, your baby's not going to be in the crib for hours on end. You want to get it out, you're going to be interacting, moving around with it, feeding it, playing with it, but then you're going to give it that tummy time so it can be on this mat, strengthening those neck muscles. But what are the rest of your students going to do while some of the students are doing that? And we have the answer. We've included 4 different scenario card decks Each has a different focus to it that you can set up in stations around the room that your students can also be rotating through simultaneously while the child care experience is going on in the corner. You have to decide what you're going to do first. Problem solve, communicate. It's all about providing the best infant child care stimulation experience available today to teach those transferable career skills that are in such dire need.